unplug me or just shut me down. Please just love